The African elephant, scientifically known as Loxodonta africana, stands as the largest land mammal on Earth and plays a crucial role in the ecosystems of sub-Saharan Africa. These majestic animals are not only iconic for their size and intelligence, but also for their complex social structures and ecological impact. In southern Africa, the majority of elephants are savanna elephants, with populations primarily found in protected areas such as Kruger National Park and adjoining private reserves. Over the past few decades, concerted conservation efforts have led to a significant increase in elephant numbers within the region. However, despite these successes, the population remains fragmented due to fencing and habitat loss, and ongoing management is essential to ensure their long-term survival. Let's explore their current status, distribution, and the challenges they face. African elephants currently inhabit 37 countries across sub-Saharan Africa, but their distribution is increasingly fragmented. In South Africa, the wild elephant population is estimated at around 26,896 individuals, with the majority residing on state land and a significant number in private reserves. Kruger National Park and its neighboring reserves form the largest subpopulation, hosting over 21,000 elephants. Since 2006, elephant numbers in the region have grown by approximately 41%, thanks to active translocation and habitat expansion efforts. Despite this growth, most subpopulations are confined within fenced areas, limiting natural dispersal and genetic exchange. The population structure varies widely, from small, intensively managed groups to large, free-roaming herds. This fragmentation necessitates ongoing management, including the creation of wildlife corridors and transfronta conservation areas to maintain genetic diversity and ecological resilience. African elephants are much more than just large mammals. They are keystone species, ecosystem architects, and cultural icons. Their feeding habits shape the landscape, creating habitats for countless other species and maintaining the balance between grasslands and woodlands. Elephant dung disperses seeds and provides food for insects and birds, while their movements create pathways through dense vegetation. These animals also serve as umbrella and flagship species, meaning that protecting elephants helps conserve many other species sharing their habitat. Their intelligence, social complexity, and even their emotional responses have fascinated scientists and the public alike. Conservation efforts not only safeguard elephants but also support broader biodiversity and ecosystem health, making their protection a priority for both ecological and cultural reasons. Despite their current stability in southern Africa, African elephants face significant threats across the continent. The most pressing issue is illegal poaching for ivory, which has escalated in other regions and could become a major problem in South Africa if not vigilantly managed. Habitat fragmentation due to human expansion, fencing, and land conversion further isolates populations, reducing genetic diversity and increasing vulnerability. Trophy hunting, while regulated, poses a risk to large-tusked individuals. Conservation strategies focus on maintaining low densities in small reserves, developing wildlife corridors, and implementing strict management plans. Ongoing monitoring, community engagement, and international cooperation are essential to address these threats and ensure the long-term survival of the species. Regular reassessment of conservation status and adaptive management will be key as environmental and socioeconomic conditions evolve. Looking ahead, the future of African elephants in southern Africa depends on proactive and collaborative conservation measures. Key actions include establishing and managing transfrontier conservation areas, developing wildlife corridors, and revising management standards to reflect the latest scientific understanding. Community involvement and benefit sharing are vital to reduce poaching and human-elephant conflict. Strict regulation of trophy hunting and trade, along with ongoing research into population dynamics and habitat needs, will support informed decision-making. As elephants continue to adapt to changing landscapes, their survival will hinge on our ability to balance ecological, economic, and social priorities. By protecting elephants, we also preserve the rich biodiversity and natural heritage of Africa for generations to come.